Today, I'm going to teach you how to add metadata on Squarespace websites. Metadata is essential for helping search engines understand your site's content and improving how your pages appear in search results. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and type in squarespace.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the specific website where you want to add metadata. This action will open up that particular site's settings and give you access to all the customization tools you need. After selecting your website, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Website, and directly under it, you'll see several subsections appear. From these options, click on SEO/AIO. This is the hub where all your search engine optimization settings are managed, and it's crucial for controlling how your site appears to search engines and visitors. Once you're in the SEO section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Tools to manage your optimization. This section contains all the essential features for fine-tuning your site's search presence. Under this heading, click on Search Appearance. This is where you'll be able to customize exactly how your website looks when it shows up in search engine results. Now you'll see fields where you can input your SEO title format and SEO site description. These are incredibly important as they determine what potential visitors see when your site appears in Google or other search engines. Take your time here and craft a clear, compelling title and description that accurately represents your site's content and purpose. Think of this as your first impression to anyone searching for what you offer. Here's something really useful. You're not limited to just setting a site-wide format. You can also edit your SEO title format on individual pages and items throughout your website. This gives you granular control to customize metadata for specific blog posts, product pages, or any other content you have. This flexibility ensures each page can be optimized for its unique content and target keywords. Once you've finished inputting all your metadata and making any page-specific adjustments, simply click Save. This will apply all your changes and update how your site is presented to search engines. You've now successfully added metadata to your Squarespace website, which will help improve your search engine visibility and attract more relevant visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.